Hey guys, welcome back to another solopreneur tutorial. In this video, we're gonna compare MoneyGram and Ria money transfer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the key differences to help you choose the best option for your finances. Let's start with fees. Ria often offers lower transfer fees, especially for bank transfers. MoneyGram, while fast, tends to be more expensive, particularly for cash pickups and card payments. Next, we'll compare the exchange rates. Ria typically gives better rates, which means more money reaches your recipient. MoneyGram may charge a bit more on the conversion side, so keep an eye on the hidden cost. Now, step 3, which is speed and delivery options. MoneyGram shines here. Many transfers are completed in minutes. Ria is a bit slower, but still offers same-day delivery in many cases. So, the delivery options. Both support cash pickups, bank deposit, and mobile wallets, but MoneyGram has a larger global network. Step 4. Customer experience. Ria scores well for affordability, while MoneyGram gets praised for reliability and availability. Both have mobile applications, but MoneyGram's interface is a bit more polished. So, which one is better for you? If you want speed and global reach, go with MoneyGram. If you're focused on lower costs and value, Ria might be the smarter pick. Choose the one that fits your priorities, and happy transferring. Do let me know in the comment section below which one will you choose, and please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.